The Insert tab is for inserting new MOGRT clips in the timeline. The Update tab is for updating MOGRTs, which already exist in your timeline. I've already transcribed this timeline and have a static caption track. I'll export the SRT file and then import it to Captioneer. Come down to Select MOGRT. Let's select the ripped paper subtitles. Leave text input settings as is, come to Create, and hit Add MOGRTs. That inserts brand new MOGRTs to our sequence. We can edit MOGRT settings in the Essential Graphics panel. I'll set the anchor point to the bottom of the text, and then reposition it in the frame. And let's add a red highlight. The start and end sliders go from 0 to 100%, so I'll just drag those to highlight some of the words, and then turn off the original static captions. I'll switch to the Update tab, which has two buttons for copy and paste. With the MOGRT selected, hit copy. Then select all MOGRTs in the timeline and hit paste. The Essential Graphics settings update for all the selected MOGRTs. Let's play this back.
Between 1985 and 2018, the 25 biggest oil companies in the world did $20 trillion worth of damage to the climate.
Okay, I like how the highlight looks on the second line. I'll scrub through, and it's currently highlighting 50% of the words. In the Essential Graphics panel, the highlight selector is currently set to words. I'll just switch that to lines, copy, and paste. And there we go. Now the second line is always highlighted red. The Update tab can also update text across the entire sequence. It looks like our transcript forgot to add $signs to all these numbers. Instead of going through the sequence and editing them all manually, clicking and updating each clip just to add these $signs, I can simply edit my SRT file and drop in the updated captions file. I'll target track 3, which contains all my MOGRTs, and scrub to a different section of the timeline so we can see it, then hit the Update MOGRTs button. All the text inside the MOGRTs is updated with the new SRT. It maintains our Essential Graphics adjustments and all the edits that we've made, and just replaces the text inside each MOGRT. As long as the SRT timecode hasn't changed and matches the MOGRT clips in the timeline, the text will update perfectly. That's the difference between the Insert and the Update tabs.
Between 1985 and 2018, the 25 biggest oil companies in the world did $20 trillion worth of damage to the climate.
In the next video, let's check out the Captioneer keyboard shortcuts.